What if I told you that not all dairy is just milk and cheese? Some dairy products can actually help your muscles recover faster, strengthen your body, and reduce soreness after workouts. Many people assume that dairy is only for calcium or bones, but when chosen correctly, it becomes a muscle-building powerhouse. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 dairy products that are perfect for muscle recovery, explain why they work, and give tips on how to use them safely. Watch until the end, because the last one is often overlooked, yet it may offer the fastest muscle repair when used correctly. Number 1. Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is more than just a tasty addition to your meals. It is a highly effective dairy product for supporting muscle growth and repair. Unlike many aged cheeses, fresh mozzarella is naturally lower in fat and sodium, making it easier for the body to digest while still delivering high-quality protein, which is essential for rebuilding muscle fibers that get damaged during workouts. Protein from mozzarella contains all the essential amino acids, which are the building blocks for muscle tissue. And these amino acids directly contribute to faster recovery and stronger muscles over time. Calcium, another important nutrient in mozzarella, plays a critical role in muscle contraction and bone health, which is especially important for anyone engaged in resistance training or intense physical activity. Because fresh mozzarella is less processed, it contains fewer additives and preservatives, which can sometimes interfere with nutrient absorption or add unnecessary strain to the body. Including mozzarella after a workout can provide the body with the protein it needs immediately, supporting muscle protein synthesis and reducing soreness. It also offers a convenient way to combine protein intake with a balanced meal, as it pairs well with vegetables, whole grains, or lean meats, allowing for a nutrient-rich plate that supports overall recovery. The digestibility of fresh mozzarella ensures that the body can efficiently use the nutrients it provides without overloading the digestive system, which is especially helpful after exercise when the body is in a state of repair and rebuilding. For optimal benefits, portion size is important. A moderate serving is enough to give the muscles a boost without overwhelming the body with excess calories or fat, making it a smart choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who want effective muscle recovery while maintaining a balanced diet. Fresh mozzarella also provides a source of energy through its natural fats and proteins, helping to replenish glycogen stores and keep energy levels stable after physical exertion. Number 2. Paneer. Paneer, also known as cottage cheese, is a powerful dairy product for muscle repair and recovery, especially for those who train regularly or do intense workouts, because it is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids steadily over several hours, making it ideal for overnight muscle recovery when the body is repairing itself most efficiently. Unlike whey protein, which is absorbed quickly, casein in paneer provides a gradual supply of essential amino acids, helping to prevent muscle breakdown and supporting continuous protein synthesis while you sleep. Paneer is also rich in calcium and phosphorus, nutrients that not only strengthen bones but also assist in proper muscle function, including contraction and relaxation, which is crucial for athletes or anyone doing strength training. The high protein content in paneer contributes directly to rebuilding damaged muscle fibers after exercise, reducing soreness and improving overall recovery time, while the combination of fat and protein provides sustained energy that helps maintain strength during extended physical activity. Because paneer is relatively unprocessed, it retains its natural nutrients without excessive additives or preservatives, allowing the body to absorb protein and minerals efficiently. It is versatile and can be eaten raw, lightly cooked, or added to meals with vegetables or grains, making it easy to include in post-workout nutrition plans. Portion size is important to maximize benefits without adding unnecessary calories, and consuming paneer in moderation provides a balanced mix of proteins, fats, and essential minerals that support muscle growth and overall health. For those who struggle with muscle recovery, incorporating paneer into evening meals or snacks ensures that the body receives a steady supply of nutrients overnight, helping repair muscles, maintain strength, and promote long-term gains while also contributing to healthy bones and overall metabolic balance. Number 3. Skim milk. Skim milk is a simple yet highly effective dairy product for muscle recovery and lean muscle building. because it provides a complete source of high-quality protein without the extra fat found in whole milk, making it ideal for athletes or fitness enthusiasts who want to maximize recovery. While maintaining a lean body composition, it contains both whey and casein proteins, which work together to provide immediate and sustained amino acid delivery to the muscles. Whey protein is absorbed quickly to start repairing damaged fibers immediately after exercise, while casein is digested more slowly to provide a steady supply of nutrients over several hours, supporting continued muscle repair and reducing the risk of muscle breakdown. In addition to protein, skim milk provides essential electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium, which help regulate muscle contraction, prevent cramps, and maintain proper fluid balance, all of which are crucial for recovery after intense workouts. Skim milk also helps rehydrate the body, especially after exercise that causes fluid loss through sweat, while simultaneously replenishing nutrients lost during physical activity. It is naturally rich in calcium, which not only strengthens bones, but also supports proper muscle function and energy metabolism, ensuring that the body can perform at its best during subsequent workouts. Because skim milk is low in fat, it is easier to digest and absorbs more efficiently than full-fat alternatives, making it suitable for a post-workout meal or snack that does not weigh the body down. Consuming skim milk immediately after exercise or as part of a recovery shake helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis, enhance tissue repair, and improve overall recovery times, while its naturally occurring nutrients support general health, energy levels, and immune function. Choosing plain, unsweetened skim milk ensures that the body benefits from protein and minerals without the added sugars or additives that can reduce its effectiveness in muscle recovery. Number 4. Ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese is a soft, high-quality dairy product that is often overlooked but offers significant benefits for muscle recovery and repair because it is rich in protein and essential nutrients while being easy to digest, making it ideal for athletes or anyone looking to rebuild muscle after intense workouts. Unlike harder, aged cheeses, ricotta contains whey protein, which is quickly absorbed by the body to stimulate muscle protein synthesis immediately after exercise, helping repair damaged muscle fibers and reduce post-workout soreness. At the same time, its protein content supports sustained recovery, contributing to long-term muscle growth and maintenance. Ricotta is also packed with calcium, phosphorus, and selenium, which are critical for bone strength, muscle contraction, and overall metabolic function, ensuring that the body can perform optimally during training and recover efficiently afterward. Because it is soft and moist, ricotta is gentle on the digestive system, allowing the body to absorb its nutrients efficiently without adding unnecessary strain, which can be especially helpful after physically demanding activities when the body is in a state of repair. Incorporating ricotta into meals or snacks provides a convenient way to increase protein intake without relying on supplements or heavily processed foods, and it pairs well with fruits, whole grains, or a small drizzle of honey to create a balanced post-workout snack. For optimal results, it is best to choose part skim ricotta, which maintains high protein content while keeping fat levels moderate, supporting lean muscle development without excess calories. Consuming ricotta regularly but in moderate portions can help speed up muscle repair, maintain energy levels, and ensure that muscles receive the amino acids and minerals needed for growth and strength, while also contributing to overall health, proper bone function, and long-term